removing the grass by lawn machine. Okay, so that's the job for today, this morning. Okay, so that's the very important. We have work to remove this grass. See, it's too high, almost in my hips. So that's the weather for today. It's good, clear sky, a little bit windy, a farm bill life. Okay, see you guys. Hopefully you like this video, because we find the loan machine until now, still finding. So it's the issue for now. This is the green grass of home. Okay, see the beautiful view, the beautiful sky. Okay, the farm bill and the clear sky in Canada, Saskatchewan. So this is the most important. What a good morning and beautiful day. Okay, see you guys, and hopefully you like this video for now, because we're removing the updated virus in my phone. So click the button and notification bell and subscribe and likes and comments and share. Okay, see you guys. Hopefully you like this for now.